Start the software. The instrument is initializing.
After the initialization, the activation of ISE module is processing. Wait until it shows standby at the left top corner.
This is the sample ID edit area. This is the sample ID edit area. Click the button to add orders. Scan the sample barcode. Check the edit test list. And also you could delete the tests. This area shows the system log. Here are some buttons which are Start the test, Pause sampling, Stop test, Instrument status. In here you can see different status of the instrument. The temperature status, the voltage status, the liquid status.
This is the user logout and exit system. This is the assign menu.
Let's try to order the ISE testers. Select the sample position. Input the repetitions. Select the access. Click Add Order. Check the test list. Check the different status of tests. In here you can add other tests for the samples which are testing. But you only can choose already existed sample number.
If you want to delete some access, please input the sample number first. Select the access. And also you could print and export it. Here is the results interface. Here includes all samples that you already added. And here shows all access results of samples that you choose in the depth area. Click the search button. Here you could search the samples that you want to see. And also you could send the sample by list. Step 1. Select the samples. Step 2. Click Send Samples and select the asset. Also for rerun samples, it is the same procedure with sending samples. Delete samples. It is the same as well. Export all the results or selected results. Also, you could print all the results or select results. Select one finished test and convert the sample result to QC. Choose one QC that you already added. Here you can edit the sample result value. And here you can add the manual sample result. Delete the selected sample or selected assay. If you don't select the assay, then you will delete all results in the sample ID. If you select the assay, then you will delete selected results in the sample ID. Recalculate the sample results with new calibration curve. Select the sample. Select all results. It will recalculate all results in this sample ID. Selected results. It will only recalculate the selected results in this sample ID. In the reports, you could modify the information that you need and print it. Here you could check the statistic results. the ISE calibration. The top table shows and reverses the latest calibration results. The below table is real-time recording calibration results. Search the calibration results. Each assay has its own slope range, and the calibration A will follow the rule as the blue picture shows. Point calibration, it only runs calibration A. Slope calibration, it will run calibration A and calibration B and automatically renew the slope value. Remove the protein and finish all the sample tests for weekly maintenance. Select one position to place the ISE cleaner. Pipe wash. Sample needle directly inject distilled water into sample cup, and it's for daily maintenance. Delete ISE calibration results, which has been chosen. The ISE adjustment. According to the experimental results, figure out calculation factors automatically. 1-point adjust is using one target value to carry out calculation factor. 2-point adjust is using two target value to carry out calculation factor. Step 1. Input the target value. Step 2. Select the assays. The default, these 5 assays have been already chosen. So in here, you need to choose the assay that you don't want. Choose the results and press Update. And you will update the calculation factors to the corresponding location of assays. Here is where the factor will be updated. In this QC interface, you could see the QC information. Add a new QC, modify or delete the QC information. Click Add Order to order QC tests. There are three result types: experiment results, manually add, and modified. Click to add any QC results that you need. Delete the QC result. Modify the QC result. Check the QC results in the QC graphs. Status, ISE status. When it shows idle, means the ISE module is standby. Follow the procedures to replace the consumables. Setting the ISE access. In here, you could modify the access setting. First option is for using ISE or stop using ISE. The second option is to start the activation automatically of electrodes or not. The last one is for washing the pipe automatically when you exit the software. Add manual asset. Added assay which is not tested in this instrument, but needs to be printed with the results together. System setting. Set the time when you leave the computer without any further motivations. By this time, the computer will hibernate automatically. Shows the alarm messages that you want to ignore. The workload to check reagent consumptions in a certain period. System information. Component maintenance. Select ISE module to initialize the ISE module or others.